Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some fairly pleasant conditions across the region today. We do have some breezy winds with the wind advisory currently in effect. I saw a wind gust of 27 knots about 15 to 20 minutes ago, and continue to see some wind gusts near and over 25 knots. So most likely we'll continue to see that wind advisory through early afternoon today, and then winds should continue to die down thereafter. As far as any precipitation and chances go today, shouldn't see any precipitation or lightning in the region today as high pressure is building in from the west. We'll see temperatures today in the upper 50s, so fairly seasonable for this time of year, and we will continue to see dry conditions across the region for the next few days. Our freezing level this morning is at 5,700 feet, winds out of the northwest around 25 to 35 knots in low levels, increasing with height. Continue out of the northwest up to 88 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, high pressure building in from the Great Lakes region. We have an area low pressure along the Gulf Coast states, another trough over the New England states. We're kind of in between the high and the trough over New England. That's giving us some tighter pressure gradient across our region and allowing us to see those stronger winds this morning. This area low pressure over the Gulf Coast states will continue to slowly move along that area for the next few days, and then finally move towards our region and off the coast on Friday, possibly giving us some showers late on Friday. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, just some cirrus cloudiness across the area this morning. A bit of cumulus clouds or stratocumulus clouds over the ocean this morning as well, with some stratus off to our north and to our west this morning as well. So looking at mostly clear skies in general today across the region, as we'll just see a little bit of cirrus cloudiness across the area and see a good amount of filtered sunshine. As far as our long-term forecast goes here, and looking at the European model, high pressure builds in today, centers over the area tonight. That's going to allow us to see a cold start today on Wednesday, keeping the area high pressure in control of our weather pattern tomorrow. We'll see more upper level cloudiness move in for late on Wednesday across the region, and then on Thursday we'll see that area low pressure kind of develop over the southern and eastern portion of Florida, but we'll have high pressure in control on Thursday, seeing lots of sunshine. And then on Friday, this area low pressure is going to try to ride along the southeast coast and just off the middle Atlantic coast for Friday night into Saturday as a cold front sweeps in from the Great Lakes. And that's going to give us a chance of showers late Friday as well as early Saturday. But overall, most models kind of show us continuing to see that dry pattern we've been in for extended period, with the area low pressure passing off to our east and this cold front moving through the region, but drying out, transferring energy to this area low pressure, which won't allow for us to see much precipitation as it appears right now for Friday night and Saturday. Moving into the second half of the weekend for Sunday, looks like we'll have breezy conditions, cooler weather as well across the area, but overall looking like we'll have fairly good conditions, drying conditions, continuing from now through the next few days with that chance of some showers on Friday night into Saturday. But once we move into early next week, looks like we'll continue with some drier weather once again. So not seeing any beneficial rainfall across the region as of yet. Our high today will be around 59 degrees, low tonight around 36. Could see temperatures inland around freezing tonight as well, with those lighter winds out of the north. Our winds this morning will be continuing to see gusts over 25 knots. We currently are in a wind advisory, so red for our winds currently. We'll see an orange for this afternoon, so a good chance we see that wind advisory remaining in effect at least through early afternoon, wind gust up to about 25, 26 knots. Our winds will be light overnight, and that'll allow us to see those temperatures drop down to the mid-30s. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will see VFR conditions in the next 24 hours, with more clouds around 25,000 feet by tomorrow morning. I'm still going to see some filtered sunshine throughout the day on Wednesday. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Wednesday and Thursday, green charts across the board, so some nice weather in store for our region. Mostly cloudy seasonable with light winds, high 57 on Wednesday. Wednesday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy, low of 44. And for Thursday, mostly sunny and mild, high of 64. So the next 7 days, we'll see those temperatures warm above normal and then well above normal on Friday. Looks like we could be seeing possibly a record high temperature on Friday. The old record is at 68, or the current record is 68. Expecting a record high forecasted for Friday at 69. So looking like well above normal temperatures for the end of the work week. And then we'll see temperatures start to come back towards normal on Sunday and Monday of next week, after we see some AM showers on Saturday with some breezy weather during the afternoon. And temperatures really fall off back towards normal and slightly below normal on Monday. Temperatures only in the lower 50s for highs. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning at 15 at 10 a.m.